everyone. This video is going to be a brief video that teaches you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint to auto-translate in live time from any language that's being spoken to any subtitled language you would like to read. So I am a very much visual person. I have a very high tendency to learn better when I'm looking at something or reading something rather than listening to something as an auditory learner. That's not my learning style. So if you find that that is who you are, this might be helpful. Also, in addition to that, it's really, really good for students who would prefer to learn in a different language than what's being taught in. So if you would be interested in learning that, just stay with me right now. I'm going to share my screen. What you'll do is you pull up Microsoft PowerPoint, a blank presentation. So it kind of looks like this when you're done. Click on slideshow right here, and then make sure that this button is clicked with the little check mark in there. It says always use subtitles. Make sure there's a check there. Then you'll click this subtitle setting box. The person who's speaking, the lecturer, your instructor, if they're speaking in English, you just keep this top one how it is. It says the spoken language is English. But if you would like the subtitles, if you would like to be in class and learn in a different language than what's being spoken, you just choose the subtitle language to be whatever language you want to learn in. So if I want to learn in Spanish, if that's my primary language and that's the one I'm most comfortable learning in, I scroll down to Spanish. And so when I click begin the slideshow from the beginning, let's say I'm sitting in class up towards the front so my instructor can be heard. My computer is going to take everything my instructor is saying in English and auto-translate it for my subtitles in Spanish. Is it going to be a perfect thing? No, because sometimes maybe the instructor might be talking in a little bit lower tone and the computer might not pick up everything, or it might auto-translate in a little bit different way. But if your learning style is to learn in your primary language, if that's what's going to help you, or if you're a visual learner and you just want to subtitle in English to an English speaker lecturer, then do it. That's going to definitely be something that you can use in your toolbox so that you can be better at retaining and understanding information. I hope this helps. Have a great day.